Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here this week with this week's August the 2nd through the 8th scripture writing. So I'm going to read the scriptures and then I will come back and decorate the page. So for the second it says, and I will bring distress upon men, that they shall walk blind men, because they have sinned against the Lord, and their blood shall be poured out as dust, and their flesh as the dung. Zephaniah 1:17. So Tuesdays was for the vision is yet for an appointed time, but at the end it shall speak and not lie. Though it tarry, wait for it, because it will surely come, and it would not tarry. Habakkuk 2:3. I think we all know that one. 2 Kings 22:2. And he did that which was right in the sight of the Lord, and walked in all the ways of David his father, and turned not aside to the right hand or to the left. And then Obadiah 4. Though thou exalt thyself as the eagle, and though thou set thy nest among the stars, thence will I bring thee down, saith the Lord. So don't get high and mighty. Then Jeremiah 3:22, return ye backsliding children, and I will heal your backslidings. Behold, we come unto thee, for thou art the Lord our God. And then the seventh, again it's in Jeremiah, this is 8:12. Were they ashamed when they committed abominations? Nay, they were not at all ashamed, neither could they blush. Therefore shall they fall among them that fall in the time of their visitation, and they shall be cast down, saith the Lord. Can I read my writing? And then the last one on the 8th is Jeremiah 10:10. But the Lord is the God, he is the living God, and everlasting King. At his wrath the earth shall tremble, and the nations shall not be able to abide in his indignation. So what I'm going to do is going to put it on fast speed, and I am going to decorate this page with whatever comes to mind. So I'm back with the finished product. I decided to leave it very simple this week. I didn't want to overclutter it. So I just did a couple different layers of the washi. I did the stickers here, and that's like a journaling spot, a clear sticker, and a piece of their washi, and just some different shades of orange, and a couple of stickers. I felt like I wanted more white space this week than colored in like I normally do. So anyway, that is the final product, and I will have a picture of it on my Instagram, hzscribe. And most importantly, I hope that you're taking a moment to look at your scriptures, especially in these perilous times, and really get into sink into the Word. But most importantly, enjoy your day. God bless you, and I dare you to read your scriptures. Take care. Bye-bye.